Let's have meme number 5, the factor theorem. So our objective is to prove factor theorem and use factor theorem to determine whether or not the given binomial factor is a factor of the given polynomial. So yung factoring, alam naman natin yan. For example, what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 4 times 3. So these are factors. What are the other factors of 12? 1 times 12. Ano pa yung ibang factors ng 12? 2 times 6. So, pwede din na maliliit na numbers. So, this is 2 times. Yung 6, pwede mo pa siyang paliitin. That's 3 times 2 or 2 times 3. So, 2 times 2 times 3 is also a factor. Sa maliliit sa numbers or sa maliliit na numbers, mabilis makuha yung factor. Pero sa malalaki, doon na yung mahihirap. For example, 100, what are the factors of 100? That's 1 times 100. What else? That is 2 times 50, or the factors of 100 is 2 and 50. Then, etong si 50 kasi pwede pang paliitin. So, 2 times 25. So, we all know si 25, mapapaliit pa yan. Sa ano pa, mas malaki pa yung, mapapaliit pa natin yung 25. So, 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So, these are all factors of 100. So, 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 are factors of 100. Pero this time, ang ifa-factor natin is polynomials. So, we want to know if a certain binomial is a factor. So, these one are the explanation of the factor theorem. If p of x is equal to 0, then x minus c is a factor of p of x. So, parang sinasabi dito, kapag yung remainder mo ay 0, ibig sabihin yung pinang-divide mo is a factor. So, kapag si x minus c ay factor, ibig sabihin, si p of c mo o yung remainder mo ay dapat 0. So, bigay tayo ng example. So, dun muna tayo sa madadali. Kunyari, x cubed minus 1. We want to know if x minus 1 is a factor. So, if x minus 1 is a factor. So, i-check natin kung itong si x minus 1 is a factor. So, ano yung gagawin mo? Use the remainder theorem. So, paano ba natin ginagawa yung sa remainder theorem? We equate yung x minus c by 0. So, therefore, your x is equal to 1. Hindi natin paano nakuha yun. Nag-add addition property ka. Nag-add ka ng 1 dito. Nag-add 1 ka din sa right. Para makancel yung negative 1. So, x is equal to 1. So, use the remainder theorem. Itong 1 na to, ipapalit mo dun sa x. So, p of 1 is equal to 1 cubed minus 1. So, 1 times 1 times 1 minus 1. So, ini-expand ko lang para makita ng iba. Pero, pwede mo naman niyang isolve sa sarili mo. 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1. Minus 1, the answer is 0. So, etong 0 na to, this is your remainder. So, ano yung sinasabi ng factor theorem? Kapag ang remainder mo ay 0, ibig sabihin, si x minus c mo is a factor. So, ang pinakasagot mo dito, therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Bakit siya naging factor? Kasi, nang ginamit mo yung remainder theorem, ang remainder mo ay 0. Ulitin po natin. Kung yung remainder mo ay 0, ibig sabihin, si x minus 1 ay factor. Ano yung nakalagay dito? If x minus c is a factor, then p of c is equal to 0. So, yun. Kung factor siya, ibig sabihin, dapat ang remainder mo ay 0. So, isa pang example. Gawa muna tayo number lang. Example, we want to know if 2 is a factor of 6. So, paano mo malalamang 2 ay factor ng 6? So, i-divide mo siya. 6 divided by 2. So, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So, 0. Ano yung remainder mo dito? Ang remainder mo ay 0. Ibig sabihin, si 2 ay factor. So, kung nalilito kayo sa part ng polynomial, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. So, punta tayo sa polynomials. Yan. So, ito yung pinagbabatayan natin. Next. Gawa ulit tayo ng polynomial. We want to know if try na natin yung given dito sa meme. Ayan. Determine which of the following binomials is our factors of 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 5x plus 7. So, let's try letter A. So, your p of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 5x plus 4. Ayan. Saglit lang. Ayan. Lalakayan natin ng konti yung board. So, we want to know si x. Nawala. Si x. Sorry. Si x plus 1. So, si x plus 1 ay magiging x is equal to negative 1. So, palitan na natin. So, 2 times negative 1 cube minus 7 times negative 1 squared minus 5 times negative 1 plus 4. So, p of negative 1. So, 2 times negative 1 times negative 1. Negative times negative, positive. So, positive 1 ka na. Times negative 1 ulit. So, negative 1 siya. Minus 7 times positive 1 na to. So, negative times negative, that's positive. Plus 4. So, this is negative 2 kasi positive times negative, that's negative. Negative times positive, that's negative. So, ulitin ko, kapag wala ng ibang operation dyan, pwede mo nang i-interchange si addition at saka si subtraction. So, this is negative 2 minus 7. May utang kang 2, may utang kang 7, may utang kang 9. Tapos, may 5 piso ka, may 4 ka. So, may pera kang 9. So, the answer is 0. Since your remainder is 0, ibig sabihin, therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. Saan yung letter B natin? Si x minus 4 at saka si x minus 2. So, minimize na natin to. Ayan. So, let's have letter B, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, add both sides of the equation, yung positive 4 para matanggal si negative 4. So, x is equal to positive 4. So, let's use the remainder theorem. 2 times 4 cubed minus 7 times 4 squared minus 5 times 4 plus 4. So, this is P of 4. Ayan. P of 4 na to. Galing yan dito sa equation na to. Baka nalilito kayo sa nanggagaling. So, that's 2 times, what is 4 cubed? 4 times 4 is 16. Then, 16 times 4, that is 64. Then, we have 7 times 4 squared, that's 16. Minus 20 plus 4. Saan ang galing yung 20? 5 times 4. Negative 5 times 4. Next, so, that's 2 times 64. The answer would be 128. So, this is negative times positive, that's negative. 7 times 16, that is 112. Minus 20 plus 4. So, left to right. Medyo pangit yung sulat ko. So, 128, may pera kang 128. Bawasan mo ng 112, may 16 ka pa. May utang ka pang 20. So, ano na lang tira sa'yo? Meron ka pang utang na 4 ulit. May pera ka ulit na 4. So, ibig sabihin, wala nang tira sa'yo. Therefore, 0 ang ating remainder. So, if 0 ang ating remainder, therefore, si x minus 4 is a factor. Let's have letter C, si x minus 2. So, that's x minus 2 plus 2. Add both sides, positive 2. So, cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to positive 2. So, palitan ulit natin yung equation ng 2. Papalitan natin lahat ng x ng 2. So, ito ay magiging 2 cubed minus 7 times 2 squared minus 5 times 2 plus 4. So, 2 times 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2, 3. 3. 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. Then, 2 times 2, that is 4. 5 times 2, that's 10. Yan. Let's solve 2 times 8. This is 16. Negative 7 times 4, that's negative 28 minus 10 plus 4. So, 16 minus 28, ilan? That's negative 12. Minus 10 plus 4. So, that would be, may utang kang 12, may utang kang 10. So, may utang kang 22 plus 4. So, that's negative 22 plus 4, that's negative 18. O, kahit simulan mo siya dito, may utang kang 10, meron kang 4, may utang kang 6. So, utang na 6 plus utang na 12, that's negative 18. So, therefore, kapag may tirang ganyan, x minus 2 is not a factor. Kumbaga, bakit siya nagsisiro? Kasi sakto siya. Kapag may tira, ibig sabihin, hindi siya sakto. So, that's all for the factor theorem. Ang gagamitin mo lang is remainder theorem. Tapos, kapag nag-zero siya, masasabi mo ng factor siya nung polynomial na yun. So, that's all, and thank you.